In this section, you can insert a list of your employees' personal data, set the amount of vacation and time off they can accumulate per month, as well as the hourly cost of each employee. The most important thing is that from here you can assign them schemes, activities, and workplaces. From here you can also see all the devices from which a specific employee has been connected and enable or disable some of them. Once they make the first access to their BadgeBox account, the system registers the device used. In case an employee tries to use a different mobile device, he has to get an approval from his administrator. The section Workday presents the scheme that is applied to a specific user, containing all working time rules, overtime calculations, and possible tolerance.